Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to share YouTube link on Instagram Story. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, we need a YouTube link that we want on our Instagram Story. So we will open up YouTube app on our device. Once you are on YouTube, copy the link of the video that you want to share. Tap on the three dots, then tap on Share and copy the link. Once you have copied the link, exit YouTube. Then open Instagram. Now on the top, open Story. You can add any picture in the background or change the color of background. Then tap on sticker icon. Now tap on links. Then paste the link you copied from the YouTube. Now share your story. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.